How to fix Roshade not working. So the first thing you want to do is click Windows and then type Roblox player. Then right click on Roblox player and click open file location. Right clicks on Roblox player again and click open file location. Now on Roblox player beta icon, right click and then click properties. You go ahead, hover your mouse to compatibility, click on it, and then you have to tick or check run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. And then check run this program as an administrator, and then check disable full screen optimizations. Click apply and OK. And then you have to do the same process again for Roblox player launcher. Right click properties, compatibility, run this program, Windows 8, check run this program as an administrator, disable full screen optimizations. Click apply and then OK. So that's how you fix Roshade not working.